Y'all there? Are they there, Eddie?
They're there.
Well, hey, y'all. I'm making such a delicious salad. The first time I had this salad, my niece Kari made it and brought it over to the house, and I thought it was just wonderful. It's a corn and avocado salad, and I just love avocados. Now I'm supposed to grate up a half a teaspoon of lemon zest, and I think that's it.
Lime zest.
Lime zest, I mean, excuse me. All right, we have used fresh frozen corn, and this really is good with fresh corn. And you would just boil the corn and then stand it up in your bundt cake pan and then slice it off after it's cooked, and that makes the most wonderful corn salad. But we're using just the fresh frozen niblets, and I've got a whole beautiful avocado that I sprinkled it with a little fresh fruit to keep it from turning brown. And then I poured 1 tablespoon of lime juice over this to help it from darkening. I've got some olive oil.
That was your lime juice.
That was my lime juice. Okay, something's missing. Okay, so I'm going to put my lime zest in, and then I'm going to put my olive oil in, and then I am going to put my purple onion in. And purple onion is a little bit on the strong side, so if you had a nice Vidalia, you might want to use that. But that purple onion is so pretty. And let's see what this is. It's cilantro. So this gives it that Mexican flair.
Zip.
Yes, that us Americans love so much. There's a lot of Mexican restaurants here in Savannah, because people here, we love that Mexican food. Okay. And we've got cherry tomatoes that have been cut in half. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my corn. And toss that. And then I'm gonna toss in my tomatoes that have been cut in 2. Fold everything in. And the last thing I'm going to fold in is our avocado. And I want to be careful because I don't want to bruise it. And if you use fresh corn to make this salad with, I recommend using a white corn. That white corn is like incredibly delicious. All right. They've got so many forms of corn now. They have a corn that's yellow and white. But down here, we just love that white corn.
Silver Queen.
Silver Queen corn. It will forever be the best. All right, now did this call for salt and pepper? Because I don't remember salt and pepper in it.
Yes, Deen.
It did?
Just a little bit.
Okay, because I just got a little lick on my spoon, and I didn't taste any salt, which, you know, if we're going to have Mexican food, we like that, those margaritas with that salt. You know, that's one drink. I'm not a drinker, but that's one drink I love. but I don't drink them because I drank one and it made me drunk. I don't like the feeling of being drunk. I thought, now why couldn't I sip on this slow and just get a happy medium? But I can't. I guzzled it because it tastes so good. A delicious, delicious summer salad, y'all. Delicious. Y'all must try this. Love and best dishes. See y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.